Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful scrunchie. For making this beautiful scrunchie, we will need rubber bands, a 2mm hook, and we will use two different color yarn. We will use here these cotton yarns and a pair of scissors. Okay, let's get started. Before get started, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's get started. Before get started, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So first we will make a slip knot like this, then attach the yarn with the rubber band like this with a single crochet like this. Now we will do single crochet all along the rubber band exactly like this. We will pull the yarn behind the rubber band and make a single crochet, and we will cover the rubber band with the white yarn like this. After finishing this row, we will come back. First, after stretching the rubber band, you can see that the rubber band shows. So we will tighten the yarn like this, and it will cover the rubber band. So we will do single crochet all along the way. After finishing this, we will come back. Here we have finished covering our rubber band. Now we will make a slip knot at the first stitch here like this. Now we will make chain 2 and do half double crochet in every single stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, put it through the first stitch, grab the yarn and make our first half double crochet. We will do two half double crochet in one single stitch like this. Again, in the next stitch we will do 2 half double crochet. Wrap the yarn and make a half double crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. We will do all along the row same way. Half double crochet in every single stitch. 2 half double crochet in every single stitch all along the way. After finishing the row, we will come back. Here we have finished our half double crochet row. Now you can see the scrunchie looking like this and have some flare of the scrunchie. If you want a small size scrunchie, then you can leave it here and make the row, another row. Here we will make a slip knot like this. If you want the scrunchie in a small size, then you can leave here and make that final row around the scrunchie. But I want my scrunchie small, slight bigger size. In bigger size, I want my scrunchie in bigger size. So here I will do another row of double crochet. Here we will do chain 3 and I want more flare in my scrunchie and more big. That's why I will use 2 double crochet in a same single stitch like this. One and two double crochet in a single stitch like this. 1 and 2. It will help the stitches to get the flare more thick and more bouncy and make the scrunchie more big. So we will do 2 double crochet in a single stitch all along the way until the end like this. After finishing this row, we will come back. Here we have finished our row, second row. We have remaining 2 stitches. Here we will finish with the double crochet in every single stitch, 2 double crochet. Now we will do a slip knot in the third chain of the first stitch here. Now we will do a slip knot at the third stitch of the first 3 chain here like this, and we will finish our second row. Now we will make a chain stitch and cut the yarn. Here we have finished our scrunchie. Now we will do the final row of the scrunchie. Here we will secure the yarn. Here we will secure the yarn. And cut the excess yarn. And this yarn we will hide inside the third row. Now we will change the yarn. We will use here this pink yarn. Now we will attach the yarn with the scrunchie. For attaching the yarn we will make slip stitch, and now we will attach the yarn like this. Now we will do chain 1 and single crochet in every stitches, then chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch, again chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch, again chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch, again chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch, exactly in the same way all along the way. Chain 1 and single crochet in the next stitch. We will do same process all along the border of the scrunchie. After finishing that, we will come back. Here we have finished our scrunchie border. We have just left 2 stitches. We will finish it with the same single crochet and a chain stitch, and now we will slip knot at the top of, at the first stitch here, and make a chain and cut the yarn and pull it to the and secure the yarn. Like this. Here we have finished our scrunchie, and you can see how it looks. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.